Buddy, we're at the lake today. We're gonna be trying to catch a fish today on a wacky rig. So I'm gonna set you guys down here. Hope you guys can see the lake and stuff. We're just gonna, but you're just gonna take it and you're gonna toss it out there. Let it sink to the bottom, okay? And then when it's right there, you're gonna pop it up. Pop it up a little bit. Pop it, pop it. Gosh dang. Fucking idiots, morons. And then you're gonna pop it up. Let it sink. Pop it up. Oh my gosh. Oh, who's even doing that? Are we on a fish? We're on. Oh, that's a nice one, baby. I wasn't even paying attention with this one. Let's go. Hold up, guys. I'm gonna place him down. Let you guys see. There he is. Y'all see him? That's our second catch on the Senko today.